What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Caelan Miller. In today's video we're talking about how to actually start affiliate marketing in 2021. If that does sound good, then make sure you do subscribe to the channel right down below. I really appreciate it. But with that being said, let's get right into the video. So hands down, I think affiliate marketing is the best way to make money online in 2021, so don't miss this opportunity. But if you are new here and don't know what affiliate marketing is, then it's simply just promoting our company's products for a commission, meaning that you as the affiliate deal with no customer service, stocking products, shipping or delivering products. But with that being said, let's get right into the presentation. Okay, so I'm going to be explaining how to actually start affiliate marketing in 2021 in 5 simple steps. And at the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you guys a special offer that will make this 5-step process a lot more smoother, easier and quicker to actually get done. So I said what affiliate marketing was before, but the actual process to actually doing it is signing up to companies' affiliate programs, getting your unique and trackable affiliate link, and then promoting that link to make commissions. In a nutshell, that's the process to affiliate marketing, but I'm actually going to show you the 5 simple steps to take to actually make sure you can do this successfully and make the most amount of revenue. So step 1 to starting affiliate marketing is to pick a niche. Now a niche is just a segment of the market you're going to choose to promote products from. Now the top 3 niches are health, wealth and relationships, as these are evergreen niches, meaning people always want to make more money, people always want to get fitter, and people always want to get in relationships. You as an affiliate need to choose the one you think you would do the best in. My personal favorite is the make money online niche, but all the other niches do work, and even one separate from this list. Step 2, find a good affiliate program. Now this is really important as your affiliate program is a big portion of your business. If you do pick a bad affiliate program, then you're just not going to make any sales or money from this. Similar to dropshipping, if you pick a bad product, you make no money either. Therefore, choosing a good affiliate program is really important, and I've listed some factors right here that will make one good. So for example, paying high commissions, I recommend over 30 to 40% of the sale, which is a good margin to go from. Now this is just so you aren't making any baby commissions. You're only making quite a decent income from this, and anything lower than 30 to 40% of the sale won't make you that. So make sure you do pick affiliate programs within that range or higher. There's 2 types of affiliate programs out there: one-time payment and recurring affiliate programs. One-time payment meaning they pay for the product, that's it, they don't have to pay anymore. And recurring meaning they pay a monthly subscription for that service. If you do put the one-time payment one, make sure the commissions are pretty high for this one, as you are going to be making that passive income that the recurring one will make you. The recurring affiliate program is the passive income side of this. As someone pays their subscription fee, you get paid a commission every single time they do that. Now this also ties into the cookie length. This just means that if they buy a product the first time from the store, does that mean if they come back later on and they buy another product, you get the commission as well? That's the cookie length. You want to make sure that if the person does come back to your product and buys again, that you still do make the commission for it. Now my affiliate programs are at least 90 days or lifetime ones for cookie lengths. Make sure that is in your affiliate program a good cookie length, as you want that person to come back at least to the store and make another purchase, and you get a commission for it. Another one is marketing material. Does that affiliate program provide you with resources to actually market with? For example, would a program give you like done for you sales funnels, some email scripts, headlines, banners, infographics? Or would they provide you with that stuff to market with? And most importantly, do you like it yourself? Because common sense just says that if you don't like the program yourself or trust it, how are you meant to promote that to other people? So most importantly, would you buy the product yourself, recommend it to family and friends at least, or does it actually hold any value to you as a person? If you're not sure where to find affiliate programs, you have 3 different methods to choose from. Number 1, Google searches. You can just go ahead and search your niche, then affiliate program, and you'll just get a bunch of results of different programs to join. Number 2, you can go to actual affiliate networks like clickbank.com, Digital24, JVZoo, Warrior Plus. They will all host affiliate programs for you to actually sign up to. And number 3, the actual websites. Amazon, Nike, Target, eBay, Walmart. At the bottom of their websites, they all have affiliate programs you can actually sign up to for free. So step number 3, building a sales funnel. Now a sales funnel is another way of saying a website. As you can see, the first page of the sales funnel is the opt-in page. This is simply where the customer's name and email are collected. Then the next page is the bridge page, where you actually explain your affiliate offer and actually describe it a bit more. And then finally your affiliate offer, where if they buy, you get a commission. And of course, if they don't buy the first time, we have their name and email on the opt-in page, so we can go ahead and send them out a sequence of emails about our affiliate product to refer them back to it to purchase again to get a commission. Now the best place to actually build this funnel out is in ClickFunnels. It's so easy to use, it's not hard at all. But if you actually want to start an affiliate marketing business, then the right way to do it is with a sales funnel, and the best software is ClickFunnels to do this with too. Now ClickFunnels do actually give people a 2-week free trial to their software, completely free for 2 weeks. So go ahead and sign up to that right down below. You can do anything you want on there risk-free for 2 weeks. So go ahead and pick that up in the description below. You have 2 weeks completely free, so there's no excuse not to go ahead and try it out. But as I said, step 3 is actually building a sales funnel / website for your affiliate products. Now step 4 is your actual email autoresponder. As I said before, the sales funnel is the opt-in and bridge page. where the actual email sequence is now the actual email responder. So many other affiliates use the best website to do this with, GetResponse, to actually go and send out our emails. This is really important for your business, as you need to be building your email list. The more emails you collect on your opt-in page, the more times you can send out emails to your affiliate offer and get the commissions, and even more products down the line as well. But most importantly, by having the email autoresponder, you build out a long-term sustainable business and building out the maximum amount of revenue. By not having these, you lose out on a lot of things. For example, revenue. Without having the sales funnel and email autoresponder, you lose customers straight away, as you have no emails and you have no way of getting back to those people, and you lose out on a lot more sales if you can't send those people back to your affiliate product without the email autoresponder. Now, I know some affiliate marketers that have like thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions of people on their email list. So just imagine sending out one single affiliate product to their email list per day. Imagine how many sales you can actually start making. But mainly step 4 is actually getting your email autoresponder set up and ready to work with your sales funnel, so you can start making more revenue and more longevity with your business. I will link down below GetResponse with its 30-day completely free trial as well to use. Same as ClickFunnels, just go ahead and use those softwares and try them out, completely free for 2 weeks or 30 days. Finally, step 5, promoting your products. Now you have 2 ways to promote products. You have organic traffic and paid traffic. Organic being social media, blogs, and paid being paid ads. Now, biggest recommendation is do not use paid ads to begin with, as you will struggle. Organic traffic nowadays is so much more powerful than it was before, as social media is constantly growing every single day. You can utilize social media niche pages on like TikTok, IG, Pinterest, where you can blow up really fast and get your business booming. With niche pages, you can actually go in and start creating content around your niche. For example, fitness niche, then fitness content. If you would make money online niche, then make money content. But most importantly, with this method, you need your sales funnel in your description or bio of your pages, just so people can actually go ahead and see your affiliate products. You can even go ahead and review products online. You can even start like comparing products, one product here, one product there, pros and cons about both, and even have both affiliate links in your reviews. Now secondly, we have paid ads like Google ads, Facebook, YouTube. I've actually never run a single ad for my affiliate marketing business, and I've still been able to make revenue, which is why unfortunately I can't go too deep on paid ads. I've never used it for my business, but that is an option you do have for your business. Okay, so now the 5 steps to building an affiliate marketing business are done. I want to show you how it works step by step in action. So this is the affiliate marketing blueprint, and this is how it works step by step. So firstly, we have our traffic sources being social media, for example, free organic traffic. We have Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and YouTube. We'll be creating content on these platforms right here related to our niche and our product, referring them to our affiliate website. So all the leads from these platforms are coming to our sales funnel. So on one of these pages, when someone clicks a link in our bio or description, they'll go straight towards our sales funnel and firstly our opt-in page. Most importantly, on this page, we get the customer's name and email address. Therefore, we can go ahead and send them all the way to the bridge page. On the bridge page, we then go ahead and explain our affiliate offer in way more detail, and go ahead and explain what the customer actually be getting. You don't want to just send them from Instagram straight to your product. That won't work. They won't buy. You want them to actually go through this funnel, but you'll then warm them up to actually go ahead and buy the product. This simple 2-step website will get us more conversions and sales. Now, of course, after the sales funnel, we have our affiliate offer, and if they do buy, we get a commission for it. Now, of course, most likely they didn't purchase the first time they saw the offer. So now you have the name and email just here. We can go ahead and use step 4, the email autoresponder, to go ahead and send more follow-up emails to refer them back to our affiliate products. This simple 3-step system has brought me passive income for the past 3 months in my affiliate marketing business. By having the email autoresponder and the sales funnel working for me, I pretty much don't touch my business and still make money. So simply by using this 3-step system, you can go ahead and create a passive income business. It's actually a simple 5-step process to actually start an affiliate marketing business, but I did promise a special offer at the end, so let's get into that right now. I'm going to give you the chance to start an affiliate marketing business quick as possible in just 3 days. And that is with the 3-day challenge by Jonathan Montoya, where you will learn step by step how to start your affiliate marketing business. From day 1 to 3, you'll learn this affiliate marketing blueprint system and how to set it up properly, and how to actually start making commissions as soon as possible. On day 2, you actually build the blueprint together, the sales funnel, the email autoresponder, etc. And on day 3, learn about paid and organic traffic to actually start making commissions. Jonathan also offers a whole workbook for affiliate marketing, so you can actually go ahead and complete the steps, so you don't miss anything on starting your affiliate marketing business. It's all there step by step for you. If you do want to start the 3-day challenge, I will link it down below in the description, the first link down below to pick up. Small $7 investment, that's barely anything to start a business. As you can see, there is more stuff down here to pick up as well, which is like bonus ebooks, funnels, and some more training as well, which is optional. But with that being said, I'm going to end the video right here. If this video did help you out in some sort of way, then make sure you do leave a like and subscribe down below. I really appreciate it. Helps me out quite a lot. But anyway, thank you for watching and peace out.